Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. Today's lesson we're going to discuss the multiplication of fraction involving mixed fraction to a fraction. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Number 1. 2 and 2/4 times 1/5. In order to multiply these two fractions, first let's recall the rule in multiplying fraction. The rule is you're going to multiply it by the numerator to a numerator, this one, and denominator to a denominator. In this case, you have a whole number outside. So this fraction is a mixed fraction. Now, in order to solve this one is you're going to first change the mixed fraction, this mixed fraction, to a improper fraction. How do I change this one to a improper fraction? So follow this rule. You just multiply the denominator to a whole number outside. So multiply 2 times 4, the answer is 8. And then add the numerator. Again, multiply the denominator to a whole number, so that the result would be 8. And then add the numerator. So therefore, 8 plus 2, the answer is 10. So copy the denominator 4. So therefore, we have the improper fraction of 2 and 2/4 is equivalent to 10 over 4 multiplied by 1/5. And then proceed to multiplication process. But first, you're going to observe the numerator to the denominator, or observe diagonally or vertically if there is a common factor between the numerator and the denominator. Is there is a common factor? Yes. We have the common factor of 10 and 5. So the common factor of 10 and 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 becomes 1. 10 divided by 5, the answer is 2. Therefore, we have now 2 and 5. Now we have 2 over 4 times 1 over 1. Is there any number again has a common factor diagonally and vertically? Yes, there is. So the common factor are 2 and 4. So the common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now we have this set of numbers. So 10 becomes 2 because of the common factor of 10 and 5. Then 2 and 4 has a common factor. So now we have now 1 over 2 times 1 over 1. So therefore, we have to multiply 1 times 1. The answer is 1. 2 times 1. The answer is 2. Therefore, the final answer must be 1/2. Okay? So the process is you're going to first change the mixed fraction to a improper fraction, and then proceed to multiplication. Try to observe first the fraction if there is a common factor. If there is a common fraction, lowest term the fraction, and then proceed to multiplication. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, let's have another example to further analyze how to multiply a mixed fraction to a fraction. Again, the first thing to do is you're going to change the mixed fraction to a improper fraction. How do I do that? So multiply denominator to a whole number. So multiply 5 times 4, the answer is 20. And then add the numerator. Add 20 plus 3, the answer is 23. So then copy the denominator 5. And then multiply. Multiplied by 27. 27. Is there any common factor between the numerator and denominator? Diagonally, vertically? None. So therefore, proceed to multiplication process. 23 times 2. The answer must be 46. Correct. Over 5 times 7. The answer is 35. So 46 over 45 is the final answer. Okay. So I hope you already know how to multiply mixed fraction to another fraction. Okay. So try to practice your skills. Let's try to answer this one. Number 1, 3 and 1/4 times 2/5. And number 2, 2 and 4/5 times 1/2. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.